Welcome back to See My Review. Today's unboxing is something truly special for sneakerheads and collectors alike. We've got the Jordan 5 Retro Maniére Dusk in the house, and I can't wait to show you every detail of this premium drop. Just look at this box, sleek, bold, and already giving off high-end vibes. So, let's get into it and see what makes this collaboration between Jordan brand and Maniére so unique. As soon as you open the box, you're hit with luxury. The sneaker features a deep black suede upper that screams sophistication. But what really stands out is that pale ivory mesh netting, shaped from a Maniere's signature, a logo, found on the quarter panels and tongue. There's also that iconic reflective silver tongue with black Jumpman branding and deep burgundy crushed shark tooth detailing on the midsole. The overall colorway is subtle but powerful, perfect for streetwear and more elevated looks. Plus, the pre-aged translucent outsole gives the sneaker a timeless, worn-in style that's seriously trending right now. If you're loving this sneaker as much as I am, and you're wondering where you can get your hands on a pair, you're in luck. There's an exclusive sale happening right now on a trusted website I've linked in the description below. You can find, if you're a sneaker enthusiast or a fashion lover on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank, let me put you on to /Hifut. Are you, a top-tier destination that's quickly becoming a favorite in the streetwear community? This site offers an impressive selection of sneakers, from the latest drops to timeless classics, along with a curated range of fashion items that blend style, comfort, and authenticity. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer collaborations /Hifut, has something that'll match your vibe? And the best part? The prices are surprisingly affordable, making premium style accessible to everyone. What really sets /Hifut apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is carefully checked for authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. They offer secure payment methods, lightning-fast shipping, and a super responsive customer service team that genuinely cares about your experience. I've personally had a smooth, hassle-free experience ordering from them. From checkout to unboxing, everything felt premium. Whether you're copying your next grail or just looking to upgrade your fit, /Hifut delivers big on style, trust, and value. So if you're serious about sneakers and fashion, this is one site you need to check out. The Jordan 5 Retro Maniére Dusk there, along with other hot releases. Whether you're in it for style or collection, this is a deal you don't want to miss. That wraps up today's unboxing on See My Review. If you're thinking about grabbing these for your own rotation or as a collector's piece, be sure to check out all the important links in the description below. I've included the website where you can buy the shoes, plus all their social media handles and contact details, so you can stay connected and never miss a drop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and unboxings just like this.